Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 9th class chemistry, first chapter, the language of chemistry. I had already uploaded the atomic structure, so you can learn that atomic structure. So first of all, introduction of the language of chemistry. We know that every matter is made up of atoms of the elements. An element is a simple and pure form of matter. All elements made up of atoms, smallest particles. Same type of atoms are combined together and form molecules. Molecules combine and form a compound. So atom, after that elements combine to form molecules. Molecules combine to form compounds. So for example, element is hydrogen. Molecules means H2. It means two atoms of hydrogen adding and it forms molecule. It means H2. Compounds means H2O, HCl. So different types of elements adding and form the compounds. Molecules are mainly three types: monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic. Mono means one, di means two, poly means many. Monoatomic means only one atom in the element. For example, helium, neon, etc. Diatomic means two atoms in the element. For example, H2 means hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, H2O2, nitrogen. Polyatomic means many. It means tetraatomic, octaatomic. Tetra means 4, octo means 8. Octo means 8. So tetra have 4 atoms in the element. For example, phosphorus P4. Octaatomic means 8 atoms in the element. So S8 means sulfur. So before 1600 AD, Dalton used the symbols such as this is the symbol for hydrogen, this is the symbol of the oxygen. But John Bergelian suggested the symbol, the initial letter of the element. Always use the capital English letter of the element. So some names are based on the Latin names. Symbols of certain elements based on their Latin names. Name of the element, symbol, Latin name. Gold. Gold is arum, AU. Silver, argentum, AG. Mercury, hydrargyrum, HG. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Lead, Pb means plumbum. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Sodium, natrium, Na. Potassium, calcium, K. Tin, stannum, Sn. Antimony, stibbium, Sb. Tungsten, wolfram, W. So these are all Latin names. The chemistry symbol method suggested by IUPAC. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So these are all Latin names. Chemical symbols. So what is the symbol? What is the information we learn in the symbol? So chemical symbols denoted by English first letter. Always write the symbol in first capital letter. In some symbols, first capital letter and then small letter. For example, hydrogen, we write capital H. Nitrogen, capital N. Chlorine, here two letters, but first letter capital C, next small letter L. Neon also two letters, capital letter N, small letter E. Chromium, capital letter C, small letter R. Cadmium, capital letter C, small letter D. So this is the symbols. Symbol represents, we know about the information of the symbols. Name of the element, one atom of the element. Quantity of the element is equal to the mass of its atomic mass or gram atomic mass. For example, symbol N stands for. If the symbol N gives, what is the information we learn about? N means the element of nitrogen. So name of the element. First point. Second point, N is one atom. So one atom of the nitrogen. Third one, nitrogen atomic mass. So these 3 points we recognize in this symbol. First of all, the element name nitrogen. Second one atom of the element or nitrogen and the atomic mass. So we know the nitrogen N714 means downside this is the atomic number, upside always we write mass, that means weight. So 14 parts of weight of nitrogen, this is the atomic mass of the element. So these 3 points are very important. So symbol represents the name of the element, one atom of the element and the atomic mass of the element. So this is the very important point. Cobalt symbol. Cobalt symbol, we know that if the 2 letters will came, how we will write the symbol? First of all, capital letter C, after then small letter O. If we write capital C, capital O, what is the symbol? Carbon monoxide. So answer is wrong. So always write first letter is first English letter, capital letter, after then small letter. So this is very important point about the symbol of the cobalt. Next one, molecular formula. So formula, how we write the molecular formula? How to write the compounds as symbols? How to write the compounds as symbols? In the compound, the different atoms united in a fixed ratio. For example, ammonium chloride. How we will write the formula? This is the formula, ammonium chloride. So we will write NH4Cl. In this, nitrogen 1 atom, hydrogen 4 atoms, chlorine 1 atom. Second one, sodium carbonate. How we write the formula? Na2CO3. So sodium has 2 atoms or 1 molecule. Okay, 1 molecule. Next, carbon 1 atom, oxygen 3 atoms or molecules. Next one, molecular formula of carbon dioxide. So carbon is 1 atom, oxygen is 2 atoms. So also oxygen molecule. So carbon atomic mass C6H12. So carbon atomic mass we know that 12. Oxygen atomic mass O816. So 16 is the oxygen atomic mass. So what is the atomic mass of carbon dioxide? So CO2 equal to carbon atomic mass plus oxygen. Oxygen means only one atom is 16, but here 2. So 2 into 16. It means 16 2s are 32. So 12 plus 32 equal to 44. So this is the atomic mass. Next one, valency. Explain the valency. We know that the number of electrons that atom can lose or gain or sharing during in the chemical reaction, it is called a valency. So where is the electrons present? The electrons present in the outermost orbit. So outermost orbit have electrons called, that electrons is called valency electrons. So the elements 1, 2 or 3 electrons in outermost shell. So the shell is called a valence shell. The electrons is called a valence electrons. So ions. There are 2 types of ions. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.